little Martin, and I'm gonna show you my 2-year review of the 440i. It's been a very pleasant experience and I do recommend it for everyone. But first, I'm gonna show you what I've done to the car. So I've got the M Performance kit and the custom grille. I've put a stage 1 AC Schnitzer tune, so that gave the car an extra 50 horsepower and 90 Newton meters of torque. I'll talk about that later. I've had my rims painted black, and this comes with the M Performance package, the side skirts. I've also got the M4 design carbon fiber mirrors. Definitely worth it. This sticker over here gives the car so much personality. I cannot stress that enough. But there's even a better sticker that I recently put on my car. Bird poop. I'm talking about wow. So I parked my car in the worst place ever, as you can see. Moving on, the carbon fiber spoiler, which I will not touch, and the M Performance exhaust system. This thing transforms the car like nothing else. This is the best modification I've done to this car by far. Of course, there's a diffuser as well. Let me get a closer view of the M Performance exhaust. It is carbon fiber. I've also modified the car extensively from the inside. It's the coral red interior. So I've got the Alcantara steering wheel. We'll talk about that in a bit. The M Performance dashboard. The full carbon fiber interior package. This is by BMW themselves. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys some drive-bys, some pulls, some launch control, and I hope you enjoy. So, I want to talk about the steering. It feels so good. It grips you and it doesn't want to let go of your hand. But there's something I wish I knew from the beginning, was that Alcantara needs taking care of every single week, or at most 2 weeks. And as a result, I've cleaned it after I learned about this, but it was a bit too late, and the fibers, or the hairs you can say, are no longer present. Here they are. For example, you can tell the difference between this and like this. So unfortunately, I might have to get it replaced. So I'm going to be attempting launch control. So that means putting the car in Sports Plus, S1 gear, brake, pedal. Well, that was obviously a bad launch. We do have to try again. I never get bored of those pops and cracks. Oh man, that is good. This is so good. It's been 2 years and I'm still not bored of this pull. It'll always amaze me. Oh. S1 on Sports Plus, brakes, pedal. I think that was 160 kilometers per hour. I think that was an okay launch. wait, explosion. It's not making pops as much as I would want it to. This time only, for some reason. What was that? Oh man. Ooh, now it is. Okay, look at this pull, okay? So I'm just driving at 40 kilometers, chilling, and then suddenly... Oh, that was 40 to 100. Oof, oof. The big question, what has this car been like? For the past 2 years, I've had no problems whatsoever. Whether it's to do with the interior or the exterior, the car is very reliable, and BMW have been very generous in their service package. They've given me 8 years of service and 5 years of warranty. I did not pay a single penny other than the upgrades, of course. The car will always feel fast. The car is aggressive and it never falls short. It always delivers. In my opinion, I believe this is one of the most reliable engines BMW has ever produced, the B58 to be precise. I don't think we'll have problems, and now that it's in the Supra, I believe we're gonna get amazing upgrades. As for the tune, at the start it felt like a big difference, but maybe that was due to the psychology kicking in. Check out my video on my channel where I recorded the initial reaction to trying out the tune, and I'd say that was one of my big mistakes with this car. The tune is amazing, I have nothing against it, but my only problem would be that it's not worth it. The price I got it with is 3 times the price of a retail Dynon Stage 1 tune box, and that's because of the BMW saying that if only I buy it from them at this price would they let it not void the warranty. So I would stick with not rushing the tune from the BMW dealership. I'd instead be patient for a few years and then get the JB4, which is what I'll be doing at the end of this year. I'll be selling this tune to get the JB4 instead, and that boasts double the power apparently, but I'll also be removing my catalytic converter and yada yada. You know how it goes all the way to stage 2 hopefully in the future. But that would be the mistake I've done with this car. The tune does make a difference. It gives it a burst of life, maybe a 10% difference, but I would definitely be patient. The only engine upgrade, or should I say performance upgrade, that I would recommend is the exhaust. That makes the biggest difference. Let me show you guys. So overall, the car is highly reliable, it is fast, it is very functional, and at the same time the material is high quality. Everything stays except the Alcantara steering wheel, which is purely my fault.